What makes us different? We own the entire journey, from the farm where the seed is sown to the product that reaches you. Truly vertically integrated from farm to table. With our 1000 acres of organic farmland in Phalodi, Rajasthan, we are growing Moringa trees 100% organically. After harvesting the Moringa leaves, the first sorting takes place. The clean leaves are then dried, protecting all the natural nutrients. Once dried, the Moringa leaves are packed and transported from Phalodi, Rajasthan to our manufacturing unit in Borgaon, Madhya Pradesh. Once the Moringa leaves reaches our manufacturing hub, the first step is quality control check by the QC team for the materials and the moisture content before unloading begins. Now the materials come off the truck and undergoes weighing and kept in a separate space. The first thing that happens on the floor is sorting. People wear gloves, masks and caps to prevent contamination. Sorted and approved, the leaves make their way into the processing area. The dried leaves are loaded into hoppers and the processing line comes in. The Moringa goes through a two-stage process. First, pre-cut for uniform feeding, then pulverized into a fine consistent powder. All contact surfaces are food-grade stainless steel, keeping every bit of it clean and pure. It then goes into the sifter, bringing it to a consistent, uniform grade before the next stage. The material is then loaded onto trays and moved into our steam sterilization chamber, a process that removes microbial risk without disturbing the ingredients' natural character. As the trays come out, what emerges is clean, safe, and ready to move forward. After sterilization, any lumps that may have formed are broken down by the delumper, bringing the material back to a smooth, even flow. It then passes through the multi-mill, which refines it further, getting the texture and particle size exactly where it needs to be. Now comes blending, where ingredients come together into a single, homogeneous batch. What goes in separately comes out perfectly unified. One more round of sifting, a final check to make sure everything is consistent right to the end. Before packing, the material passes through our metal detection system. It is precisely weighed to ensure every pack meets the exact quantity standard. Then it is filled hygienically into the packaging, keeping contamination completely out of the equation. Each pack is then sealed securely, locking in the freshness and purity that the entire process worked to preserve. Even after packing, the batch isn't released yet. It moves into our quarantine area, where it waits for a final thorough review by the QC team. From quarantine, the approved batch moves to our finished goods warehouse, properly stored and ready for dispatch. And this is where the journey from our facility begins its next chapter.